Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I am sharing the upcoming novels of the week I am excited for. I can't wait to read these seven novels. The first is Afterland, the second is Playing Nice, the third is Whatever After, the fourth is The Orphan Collector, the fifth is Prelude for Lost Souls, and the fifth is When She Was Good, the seventh is The Butterfly Lampshade. Playing Nice was written by J.P. Daniele and it is going to release on 28 July 2020. Playing Nice is about two families who discover their babies were swapped at birth and each has been raising a child not biologically theirs. To begin, both the families get along fine and cooperate, agreeing not to swap the toddlers back but to involve the other couple in the children's life. But it does not take long before things start to go terribly wrong. One couple wants to custody of both children and will stop at nothing to get it. I haven't read anything by JP Daniele until now, and I was quite impressed with this one and super excited to read this novel. The second novel is Afterland, which is written by Lauren Banks and it is going to release on 28 July 2020. Afterland is a thoroughly gripping, imaginative thriller about a mother protecting her son, a rare survivor of a devastating plague that wiped out most of the Earth's male population. In this new world, women exercise power for and against each other, the power of love, the power of violence, unleashed in the absence of men. This book is sharply feminist, high stakes thriller from award winning author Lauren Biggs. Afterland brilliantly blends psychological suspense, American noir, and science fiction into an adventure all its own and perfect for our times. The third novel is The Butterfly Lampshade. It was written by Amy Bender and is going to release on 28 July 2020. The Butterfly Lampshade is about a mother with a mental illness, psychosis, and a daughter trying to decipher her past and work through her present. We begin by seeing the extent of friendship, mother illness, and the effects of what happened next. However, as we get further into the story, Francie recalls these memories and gives them more details with context. The Butterfly Lampshade is a heartfelt and heartbreaking examination of the sometimes overwhelming power of the material world and a broken love between mother and a child. Happily Whatever After is written by Stuart Lewis and is going to release on 28 July 2020. Happily Whatever After is a quickie, sweet story about second chances, family, and friendship. Stuart Lewis writes with a perfect blend of humor and wit and delivers a romance that is as hopeful as it is entertaining. Unleashed from all that once held her back, Paige finds everything might be falling into place, but just when she thinks her life is headed in the right direction, the road takes a sharp turn to show her just how unpredictable second chances be. Will Paige get her happily ever after? Is there such a thing? Happily, whatever after shows us all that sometimes imperfect can still be good enough. The fifth novel is The Orphan Collector. It is written by Elena Mary Weisman. It is going to be released on 28 July. The Orphan Collector is an immense historical tale with chilling twists and turns. The Orphan Collector features a main character, a 13-year-old daughter of German immigrant named Pia, who grabs the reader's heart and soul. As the flu epidemic hits Philadelphia with savage fury in 1980, Pia's world becomes a nightmare and she uses every ounce of intelligence, resilience, and instinct to not only protect her family but also to stay alive. The sixth novel is When She Was Good and was written by Michael Robotham. It is going to release on 28 July 2020. When She Was Good is a psychological thriller about a murder dressed as suicide that, that connects back to a child sex trafficking ring and the forensic psychologist and truth wizard linked to the case. I would not recommend reading this book if you have not read Good Girl, Bad Girl. because it is the next part of Good Girl, Bad Girl. The last book that I'm excited for is Prelude for Lost Souls, which is written by Helena Dunbar and is going to release on 1st August 2020. Prelude is a book about redefined friendship, found families, music, and wrestling with expectation of your own and those placed upon you. This book talk about the friendship between Deck and Rose. Both have suffered tragic losses in their lives, but know they can count on each other, no matter what. Everyone need a friendship like that in their life, although at some point it seems as if the balance shifts with Deck taking more than he gives. Each is at a crossroads where the discussions they make will significantly impact not only their lives but also their loved ones. Russ is struggling with some personal demons that may prevent him from achieving his goals. I am eagerly waiting for the release of these 7 books and I am looking forward to read these books. If you want to get your hands on this book, then the link is in the description box. If you like the video, then please like,